Welcome to this lesson on basic polite expressions. Today, we will learn two essential words that are used in everyday English conversation: thank you and please. These simple words are incredibly important because they show respect and make your communication more courteous and pleasant with others. Let's start by looking at our two main words. The first word is thank you, pronounced as thank you. It is used to express gratitude or appreciation. The second word is please, pronounced as please. It is used to make a polite request. Both of these words are fundamental to polite English communication. Thank you is used when someone gives you help, a gift, or provides you with a service. For example, if someone helps you carry something heavy, you would say thank you. If someone gives you a birthday present, you would respond with thank you. This expression shows that you appreciate what the other person has done for you. Please is used when you want to ask for something politely. For example, if you are at a restaurant and you want water, you would say, "Can I have a glass of water, please?" By adding the word please to your request, you make it more respectful and courteous. It shows that you are being considerate of the other person. There are different ways to say thank you depending on the situation. In formal settings, such as a job interview or professional meeting, you might say, "Thank you very much." This shows extra respect and appreciation. In casual situations with friends, you might simply say, "Thanks a lot," or just "Thanks." When you are very grateful, you can emphasize your appreciation by saying, "Thank you so much." Just like thank you, there are different ways to use please. You can use it directly in a command, for example, "Please sit down." This is polite but direct. You can also use it in a question form, which is even more polite. "Could you help me, please?" This softer approach is often preferred because it gives the other person more choice. When you really want something urgently, you can emphasize it by saying, "Please, please come back." Now let's see how these words work in a real conversation. Imagine you are at a restaurant. You say to the server, "Can I have a coffee, please?" The server responds, "Of course, one coffee coming up." When the server brings your coffee, they might say, "Here you go." You then respond, "Thank you so much." This simple exchange shows how thank you and please work together to create polite and respectful communication. Here are the most important things to remember. First, always use politeness in your communication. The words thank you and please show respect and make your interactions smoother and more pleasant. Second, these phrases are universal and work in casual, formal, and professional settings. You can use them anywhere and anytime. Third, practice using these words daily in your real conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they become, and the more confident you will feel speaking English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.